So I forgot to turn on my mic. So we took out the board, and as you can see, this one got water damage, and it's red here, solid red. It means there's a good amount of water that came into the board in that area, that particular area. And there's visual inspection. We can see that this capacitor right here. Yeah, it's shorted. That capacitor provides power to the chip, to the Wi-Fi chip. Let's see if we can remove it and solve the issue. So it may be an easy repair. Oh, look at that! It just went off by itself. Or maybe we have to remove the whole Wi-Fi chip to repair it. Okay, so it's no longer short, which is good. So let's measure again, make sure it's not. Okay, so we got rid of the short. So the phone got water damage, and short out that capacitor. So let's put back. Before we go any further, let's put back the board to see if that resolved the issue. Okay. Come on. Okay, Wi-Fi is still not working. Wow. So that didn't resolve the issue, so the phone got another issue. So the Wi-Fi chip probably got burnt out by that short as well. So what we need to do is this is going to be remove the Wi-Fi chip and put another Wi-Fi chip on. And then we need to reprogram the NAND as well for this whole process. So this is this issue to be more complicated than we thought. Okay, and off. Okay, that didn't help. Okay, so it could be that the Wi-Fi chip got burned as well, since that cap got burned as well due to water damage. Okay, so now we take out the chip. Okay. Okay. So it's like okay. So it's like that. Now we have to reprogram this NAND here, unlock the Wi-Fi. So this chip will, our new chip will work. We have a machine for it to unlock the Wi-Fi without taking the chip, but the machine is broken. So we have to do the manual way. iPhone. So okay, now let's just put a chip into the NAND reader. So in theory, it should work. Okay. Okay. So in theory, it should work, but that's just in theory. Let's let the board cool down a little bit, and then we'll put it back on and test. Clean it up a little bit and test it. So we have to reflash uh, the NAND. Okay, so it looks like it's reading. So let's go with let me see. Okay. So we will reprogram the chip, update the iOS. Now we got Wi-Fi. So take a few minutes to activate any passcode option. Don't use passcode. Don't use passcode. Don't transfer data. Accept later. Don't use. Agree. Continue. Not now. Civil location. Okay. Accept later. Don't share. Continue. Continue. Okay. So since the phone is working, Wi-Fi is working. So as you can see, Wi-Fi is working, and there you go. So that's how we fix it. So basically, we replaced the phone was short, and it short out the Wi-Fi IC. So we need to replace the Wi-Fi IC, and also we need have the thing. We need to unlock the Wi-Fi by reprogram the NAND chip earlier. And when we reprogrammed the NAND chip, it erased all the data and everything. So we had to reinstall the iOS, and then once that's done and we activate the phone, you see the Wi-Fi is working. So it's detecting our Wi-Fi. So that's it, guys. Hit the like button if you like the video, and also subscribe if you haven't. Thank you. See you guys on the next video.